Alright, I am going to replace a hand crank on a small generator here. This is part number, or item number is 60338. It's a 63cc Chicago pneumatic Stormcat. You can pick these up at Harbor Freight, and basically got it for free. And this is what's wrong with it. Don't know if it's going to start. I think probably gas is bad in it and stuff, but I'm at least going to just change the hand crank on it just to show you what's entailed with it. Alright, this is the new part I got on Amazon, around $13. There's a thunderstorm nearby. I'm under shelter, so I should be fine. There we go. So there's the replacement. Alright, let me go ahead and get this off of here and we'll bolt it up. We'll require a 10mm socket. Yes, well, little bit of work on this thing, but it cranks. Works good, so that's how you replace a hand crank on a Stormcat 700 watt, 900 peak, 2-stroke, 2 horsepower engine. And you get these little generators from Harbor Freight. So let's try it again. Well, won't start, but at least the crank is fixed. Just needs a little bit more work.